Good day everyone, I am a student researcher and in this video lesson, I will explain how the derivatives of a function is related to the slope of the tangent line. This topic is important because derivatives help us understand how quantities change, such as speed, growth, or motion. To make this concept clearer, I will use PowerPoint for explanation and GeoGebra for visual demonstrations. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define what a tangent line is, explain the derivatives as a slope, relate the derivative at a point to the slope of the tangent line. Visualize this relationship using GeoGebra. Before discussing derivatives, let us review the idea of slope. The slope of a line measures how steep the line is and is given by the formula slope is equals to rise over run, or change in y over change in x. For a straight line, the slope is constant. However, most real-life situations are modeled by curved graphs, and this is where the derivatives become important. First, we apply the formula. Suppose we have 2 points. A is equals to 0.2 and 3. B is equals to 0.5 and 11. Y sub 2 is equals to 11. Y sub 1 is equals to 3. X sub 2 is equals to 5. X sub 1 is equals to 2. And lastly, substitute the given slope. M is equals to 11 minus 3. All over 5 over 2. That gives us M is equals to 8 over 3. On a curve, we cannot directly find the slope at a single point. Instead, we start with a second line, which passes through 2 points on the curve. As these 2 points get closer together, the second line gradually becomes a tangent line, which touches the curve at exactly 1 point. The slope of this tangent line represents the instantaneous rate of change, and this is what we call the derivative. Now, let us use GeoGebra to visualize this concept. Here, I have graphed the function f of x is equals to 4x squared. I place one fixed point on the curve and another movable point. As I move the second point closer to the first, you can see that the second line is rotating. When the 2 points coincide, the second line becomes the tangent line. The slope value displayed by GeoGebra changes as the point moves. This slope at a specific point is exactly the derivative of the function at that point. Mathematically, the derivative of a function at a point is defined as the limit of the slope of the second line as the changes in x approaches 0. For example, the derivatives of the function f of x is equals to 4x squared is equals to 8x. This means that at any point of x, the slope of the tangent line is equals to 8x. So, if x equals 2, the slope of the tangent line is 16. This relationship has many real-life applications. For instance, if a function represents position, then its derivative represents velocity. The tangent line slope shows how fast an object is moving at an exact moment. Therefore, the derivatives does not just represent a formula. It describes change in the real world. To summarize this lesson, a tangent line touches a curve at 1 point. The slope of the tangent line represents the instantaneous rate of change. The derivative of a function gives the slope of the tangent line at any point. Lastly, GeoGebra helps us visualize how secant lines becomes tangent lines. Understanding this concept builds a strong foundation for higher level calculus. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope this demonstration helped you understand how derivatives relate to tangent lines.